In this video, I'll show you how you can host n8n on your local device. First of all, we want to head into node.js.org and we want to head onto the download section. Right here, we select the right version for our device. We can also choose Windows if you're on a Windows computer. So I just want to click on Mac OS installer. Just click continue. Have to accept the license. Click on install. Type in my keyword. And now this has been installed. We want to head into the command, so I open up the search bar and I type terminal. And just to make sure that I have installed Node on my PC, I will click on Node -- version. As you can see, this is the version right here. After this, I want to type in install n8n.g, and this G just means that I will install it all over the computer. So I click enter and it can take some time to load it in. So after this, the terminal will say that some of the packages are deprecated, but we don't have to worry about this. This will not affect our workflow. So after this, we'll just type in n8n. And it will put out a link right here, a link that we can take into our browser. And when we get in our browser, we have to set all of this up. Click next, and it will just have some quick questions. You can just type this in, whatever you want. So after we arrived in here, we can create our first workflow. But please be aware that if you close down the terminal, the local host will no longer be available. So we have to type in the terminal n8n to reopen it. So now it will reopen. We can also type O to open the browser. Now it's reopened. So from here, it's like the normal n8n, you know how to do this. And this is just how it is. Thank you for watching.